Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always try it just one more time. We start with example 4. Pankaj Rao invested rupees 1,25,295 in shares of face value rupees 10 when market value is rupees 125. Rate of brokerage is 0.2% and GST is 18%. Then find how many shares were purchased, the amount of brokerage paid and GST paid for the trading. So the sum invested is 1,25,250 rupees. Brokerage 0.2%, rate of GST 18%, brokerage per share that we'll calculate first 0.2% of 125. So it is rupees 0.25. GST per share on brokerage 18% of 0.25, so which is 0.045 rupees. So cost of one share is market value plus brokerage plus GST. Add market value, brokerage, GST. So it is 125.295 rupees. So number of shares, amount invested divided by cost of one share. So how much you have? Total 1000 shares. So total brokerage is brokerage per share multiplied by number of shares. Number of shares 1000. Brokerage. So how much? Rupees 250. So total GST is 1000 shares multiplied by 0.045, that is GST on brokerage. So it is how much? Rupees 45. GST paid is rupees 45. Nalini Tai invested rupees 6024 in shares of face value rupees 10 when the market value was rupees 60. She sold all the shares at market value of rupees 50 after taking 60% dividend. She paid 0.4% brokerage at each stage of transactions. What was the total gain or loss? So GST, rate of GST is not given in the example, so it is not considered. Shares purchased face value rupees 10, market value rupees 60. So brokerage per share is 0.4. Here it is given percent. Here market value 60. So 0.24. Cost of one share, market value plus brokerage. So this is 60.24 rupees. Number of shares 6024 rupees divided by 60.24, so 100 shares. Shares sold face value rupees 10. So brokerage per share is 0.4% of 50. So it is rupees 0.20. Selling price per share that you calculate, that is market value minus of brokerage. So it is 49.8. Selling price of 100 shares, that is selling price of one share multiplied by 100. So it is 4980. Dividend received 60%. So dividend per share 60% of 10, that is rupees 6. Dividend of 100 shares, it is rupees 600. Nalini Tai's income, how much? This is 4980 plus 600. So this is rupees 5580. Sum invested is 6024. So loss 6024 minus of 5580 income, Nalini Tai's income. This is Nalini Tai's investment. So loss of rupees 444.